Hey guys, how's it going? Nazar here. You're watching Nostalgic Reviews. Today we're going to unbox this NFT. Um, this is the Series 2 Aristo Rat. This is by Dmitry Shakhmatov. He's a Ukrainian designer, and he's also the, what do you call it? Like the manager of the design team for Mattel. You know, the thing that makes the things. So I think this is an international box. Not sure. So, but in any case, this is my first ever NFT, like official one that's sealed and stuff. It's got the seal marks right there, and I'm gonna open it right here for y'all to check it out. I can't wait to take a look at it, but I am a huge fan. So just wanted to show this little print that I have. It is hand signed by Dmitry. There's his name, Dmitry Shakhmatov, Hot Wheels Design. This is from the 30th annual Hot Wheels convention. And there's the car we're going to take a look at, the Aristo Rat. So I guess I'll leave that there for now. Let me show you this thing. This is just a little something I was goofing around with. This is the Aristo Rat. I just kind of messed with, kind of aged it a little bit and did a little bit of a wheel swap. A little bit of detail on the motor or whatever that is. Headlights detail. Nothing crazy. It's just something I was goofing around with. I'll probably end up, I don't know, maybe stripping this thing and doing something else to it. But beautiful design. I think you'll agree. You know, he's also done the Maxima drift car, which is an amazing design as well by him. He did a whole bunch of different designs. There's a lot of fantasy cars he did, like this one, and the Maxima drift car, which is not a fantasy design. I don't think it is, but anyway, let's open this thing up, and I'll show you another NFT I have, but it's an unspun one. And that's basically all I had before I got this. So, breaking the seal. I don't really care about the condition of the box. None of this is to be resold for any purposes. And I will be unboxing this in front of you guys, for you guys. But yeah, here we go. So let's get this out of the protector here. I'm not huge on NFT stuff. The only NFT I want are the Fast and the Furious, but I doubt that I'll ever get those. They're a little pricey, and I really don't want to go through that process that you have to go through to get these by buying a bunch of NFTs, and then you can get one of these, you know. I got this for like less than $40 on eBay, so a sealed, thing. So here's the back of it. NFT Garage Series 2, Rod Squad, Aristo Rat, 2002. Not for individual resale. Well, unless you're an eBay seller, then you can sell them individually. So I see that this is... Good thing I'm opening this. Look at that. It has a cracked blister. How did that manage to be cracked inside of a sealed box? So yeah, there you go, Mattel. So that's another reason why I don't want to be going through a whole bunch of hoops and loops and things to get these and pay too much money for them. Because, what if I wasn't, an open collector? This would break my heart, This would totally make me not happy. Damn, it's even broken on the inside. Like, wow. That is bad. But anyway, all right, let's open this up. Jeez, that is just... So another reason why I don't spend too much money on Hot Wheels stuff. I am gonna save the blister here. I'm not gonna go all out and do the acetone technique. Oh my god. Because that's just... actually, that might... No, that's too thick. That would have ruined all of the work. Also, the blister's cracked, so who cares? Wow, this blade is freaking dull. I'll get back to opening that up completely after the video, or not. There we go. F it. And there we go. Cool. Wow, there's that's just, goddamn, that's awful. So there's your card. Very nice artwork, little embossed look right there. So yeah, we'll save that for the trash some other day. Well, there's some more of the brittle. I can't believe like the inside of this was busted. Like that's on the inside of the card. Thanks, quality control. All right, there's your blister with the crack as well. Okay, so here we go. Here is our NFT Aristo Rat. Very neat. Nice headlights detail. I like that. Little faux headlight. Wasn't expecting the threaded tractor wheels. Got 34. Not sure what 34 stands for. I'm sure there's some kind of reason for it. So I guess this was designed in 2017. That's when this Rod Squad, whatever, this casting came out, I suppose. Yeah, 2016, so 2017. Wow. So very cool. So as you can see, there's a kind of like my wheels more. But anyway, so there we go. Metal base. The front tires are rubber. The back tires are also rubber, actually. I thought they were plastic. So that's a plus. I like the Moon Eyes discs here. Those are very nice. This is definitely a welcome addition to my collection, for sure. Love Dima's designs, man. Very talented dude. Hope he makes more stuff in the future, man. So, yeah, there you go. Where did I put the thing? Oh, there it is. There's the thing. There's the rotisserie. We'll put that right there. 1 sec. Alright, guys. Let's give it a nice spin around here. Just to enjoy this casting. Yeah, nothing crazy in this review. Just wanted to open it on film and check her out. Oh wow, yeah, these things always have an issue with things rolling off. Gotta like level everything before you even start the video. Anywhoozle, there you go. I really dig this thing, man. I think it's awesome. There we go. And are we coming off? Yay! The end. And that's why I'm not a huge fan of using that rotisserie thing, because it's just annoying. Don't care. So there we go, Aristo Rat. And oh yeah, I did promise to show you guys my other NFT. So let's have a look at it. Here's the Datsun 510 NFT. This beautiful thing I picked up on eBay. It is unspun, as you can see right there. So this thing opens up. Whatever. Believe me, it opens up. I don't really want to. So what I did with this was I actually got a metal base for it with some nice Japanese 4-spoke JDM 4-spoke wheels, Real Riders. So just to kind of make it even better, the actual NFT had like a dark tan color wheels. I think the same patterns as well. But as you can see, this thing's very neat. Should get back to this thing. Hold on. There we go. So I picked this up for also like $35, $40, I believe. on eBay. So I don't know how they get them out of the factories. I guess they sneak them out or something. I don't know. That's none of my business, I guess. They're selling it and I wanted it. There's your Hot Wheels NFT Garage lettering. So I really dig it. So this was the only NFT I had. So it's official, but technically not official because, you know, it didn't come with all the packaging and, you know, all this nonsense here. So there you go. But yeah, so these are my only two NFTs. Like I said, the only other ones I would love to have are the S2000 Suki's pink Too Fast, Too Furious car, which those are going for like 250 or more each. So that's probably never gonna happen, but we'll see someday. And I think they also just put out the R34 also, Brian's freaking Skyline. So, but anyway, so yeah, that's it, man. So yeah, once again, guys, I'm a huge fan of Dmitry Shakhmatov's designs, just like I told you about, you know, Junimai and Kaido House and all that good stuff. So yeah, he's another one of those designers that I really like, and I love their art. I mean, look at this. How cool is that little concept art? Look at that little rat with the wrench on the bottom there. Honestly, I wish they did these wheels. The spokey, whatever they're called, like bicycle style spokes. Those are really cool wheels. Maybe someday. Maybe I'll find them. And I love the exhaust on the back, dude. This concept art is freaking nice. Yeah, we don't really have that happening here. We just kind of have like a motor down there. I guess there are pipes there, but they're not like they're under, you know, they're not like that, as you can see. Still awesome. I love it. So yeah, there's another addition to my collection and another Dima addition to my hoard here. All right. So yeah, guys, hopefully you enjoyed my little NFT garage unboxing here. That's how we do, and that's about it. So yeah, hopefully you guys had a good day. Hopefully you have a good day, and I'll see you all in the next video. Slava Ukraini! Героям слава! Peace.
Very simple fix, and I wish you would stop bad-mouthing the most perfect truck on the internet.
It'd be so cool to see a Ukrainian tank just crush the Cybertruck.
Just running it over like a killdozer?
I really want them to send it on the battlefield. Anyways.
Yeah.